We're going on a nice little walk over to Raphael's house to pick up my S2k because I don't want to drive over there and then drive back and then not have a way to get back to get the other car. So I'm just gonna walk. My Lamborghinis. Alrighty, here we are. S2k and the blue Evo. As you guys have seen from the last video. Also, this thing's sweet. I think I might be driving it soon, maybe for a little bit if I need to. Pretty stock. I heard it might have key-case issues, so we will see what happens with that. But yeah, very, very stock. And then here's my other car. I hope it doesn't debeat again because there is a nice little bubble on the inner wall. And I don't know if it's visible from here, if you can even feel it, but it's definitely there. Raphael left my car on E, so I'm gonna have to fill it up a little bit before I drive it. I always forget that that's right there. That's such a weird spot for it. And I still didn't open it. Hold on. There we go. Yo, this thing takes premium as well, so that's kind of a bitch, but that is a-okay. At least we still have a car to drive in case the Evo sells. Let me put you guys down so I can tap pay. But yeah, you already know. Another day, another fill up. I'm probably not gonna put that much in here, just enough to get by. And once the Evo's gone, then we will fill this up and actually use it. But I think $10, $12, 15 maybe, 15 I guess. Won't get us by as well as he used to. And I overshot it by a little bit. Oh well. Nice. You know, the one thing that's different about this car is the brakes are super stiff up top, and so it just sticks so quickly. Like, it's such a harsh, instantaneous brakes. Turn on my lights as well. Oh, we got almost a half tank out of that. More like just above a quarter. But yeah, let's get onto this road. Back in the Evo. Gonna drive this thing as much as I can before I get rid of it. But also, there's a lot of people just chilling at Kingston's shop, so we're gonna go over there too. I've made it to the shop, and it looks like they've gotten some stuff done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Go back. Focus. Yo. That color is insane, dude. What? Looks like one fender's. Oh my god. This is going to look amazing. Yo, this car's going to look so crazy in this red. I ran to go get myself some food because the boys went to Taco Bell. And I got here way too late. So, yeah. Parked up here now. Ooh. This Accord's in the way, but then we got the other two here. You're surrounded by Evos. Yo, all the boys are here. Tony's back with his truck. Yeah. Look at these guys. They all have Taco Bell. I got a little taco. Oh, look at that. Carbon. Joining the Carbon gang?
No, it's high bar.
What? Carbon.
Is this a wrap? No.
HDMI plug? Is that what we're talking about? Oh, God.
That looks pretty good.
Fire.
No, we all got carbon.
Kobe doesn't have a carbon hood, but it's okay.
Hey, man.
He has a carbon trunk at least.
Yeah. Where'd you go?
Oh, yeah, where is your carbon trunk? I know. Yo. This is good legroom back here. Fuck, look at that yellow. Came out really good. Ooh. Tony's got the plate there.
Yes, sir.
Getting the, what are they, window buttons cut out. Kobe's gonna drive from back here.
Where are we going, dude?
Well, let's get into gear first. You can't grab it.
You have the shortest person. You can ride this.
From the back seat.
I want the steering wheel, dude.
It's kind of nice, isn't it? Sparkle? Is it all leather?
Yeah.
Oh, that is quite nice.
Fucking trade me.
What the hell's going on?
That is not a Dremel.
That's an angle grinder, my friend.
That rear seat driver, dude.
Yeah, who needs a rear seat?
Do the banana jelly review, dude.
Yeah.
Oh wait, you like that right to this, dude?
Oh, I didn't do the ring.
I think the last
Ring a
time.
ding ding ding.
Yeah, take the e-brake off.
Oh, race car shit, dude.
Race car shit.
The whole arm?
Yeah.
Oh, so it doesn't look ugly as fuck, so you can leave it exposed.
Yeah.
How do you get it on?
I don't know.
Right there.
14 mil.
14 mil.
That is not a Dremel.
I need a socket and a ratchet. With an extension.
Good job, Kobe.
Thanks, man. They don't want to work. Yeah, that's just
No, it's in the way.
that's in the way.
It's in my mouth.
Turn it. Turn it the other way.
Oh.
So you know how you're.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna. The piece is gonna fly away.
You out here with that fresh cut, dude?
Yo, this is Why'd you grab me the big ass fucking... Yo, that's not even 13 mil, dog. Brandon.
You said 14.
Did I? You're lying.
We got it on video.
Yeah, we have it on video.
Run it back. Run it back.
Run it back.
Run that shit back.
14 mil.
14 mil.
We need a 13.
About to take the e-brake off.
13.
You need all the leverage.
I know. Holy
I needed a point to
shit,
grab the
dude.
biggest one I could find.
I see that.
Yo, we're doing too much, dog.
How much leverage do you need to take off the e-brake?
There we go.
Hey.
Put the bolt back in so you don't lose it.
Look at me.
Oh, shit.
Damn, dude.
Oh, you dirty.
Grab your e-brake.
Ooh. Sick.
Damn, you just gave him a break, dude.
He's give me a break, thanks.
So now what we need to do is we need to somehow figure out how we're gonna weld this up
What?
and hook it to the parking brake.
Yeah.
A manual hydro, dude.
Manual hydro.
Is there an auto hydro?
Yeah. It's a hydro without the hydro.
Whoa! It's a mouse trap. Holy shit, dude. Don't get caught. Uh-oh.
Kobe, put your finger in there.
Fuck no!
It's not even doing anything.
Gee, that'll
Yeah.
No, that'll do something. Tony, put your finger in this.
Right in there.
Whoa.
That's like guillotine practice.
How's it looking?
This bloke breaks it.
It's broken. Oh.
I'm helping. Come on.
How many men does it take to get a fucking e-brake sleeve off of the fuck? Honestly, though, the Evo one was kind of rough too, so I do get it. I think twisting it helps.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah.
Unless it's the other side.
All right, they've got the suede. I'm gonna cut out a nice little piece of it, or a large piece of it.
Absolute wreckage, dude.
Call me Michelangelo, dude.
Chiseling at it, huh? Oh my god, that carnage. Wait, let me zoom in here.
It'll all get fixed.
Bingo bongo, dude. What the fuck is that?
Adhesive for motor.
Will it
Yeah.
stick though?
Hopefully. It's really sticky with vinyl.
Oh, okay. Well, but that already has glue on it.
You're right.
This suede isn't gonna stick to that, I don't think. Just put it on top. Press it down.
Now there's gonna be
Oh. I don't know if that'll work.
It's sticky. It's not working. It's not even
You
transferring.
you need the adhesive, my friend.
Yeah, see, look, now it's fucked up.
So what we've decided to do is cut the new piece that he has because we already have this templated, but it kind of like got gashed up and stuff. Damn, dude, you're coated.
Yeah.
Nice.
We powder coated him.
Powder coated him. Gonna put him in the oven now. Not very efficient. Yo, Ruben's learning how to rap?
I got it stuck already, dude?
Brother teaching robots how to throw it back.
What?
Relax, Kobe is your friend. That was not Carlos.
Sounded like Carlo.
Oh.
Yo,
Yeah, the green
look at that.
Purple Crown Royal.
Oh, it's good.
Dummy fire.
Yo, look at that fire, though. That's the old one on the left there, and the new plate with that floral design and this like kind of a carbon color. Looks really good with the yellow. Fire! Look at those buttons all in there and everything too.
Downshift.
My man's leaving already, bro? You out of here?
Yeah.
Damn. Well, car looks good.
Thanks, bro.
Alright, I'll catch you next
I
time.
think they're gonna get ready to leave in a second too.
They're over there?
Yeah, they're
Alright.
right inside that little pull-up.
Right on, sweet.
Alright, later, bro.
See ya. Woohoo, that thing looks so good. I wonder if anybody's coming out right here. See what's up. Oh.